As we continue to work together to combat the spread of COVID-19, Fairfax County is committed to maintaining safe and caring communities. We understand that continued delivery of services will help our communities stay safe and healthy. Even though some of our facilities are currently closed for in-person services, Health and Human Services network of county agencies and its partners continue to enhance residents' quality of life by providing key county services via online, phone, and email. Many of these services, although not new, can be accessed without coming into our offices. Available service areas include children, youth, and families, older adults, people with disabilities, domestic and sexual violence services, self-sufficiency, food and health care, and transportation and mental health. Be sure to check your mail for a brochure listing all available county resources. You can also visit the county website at fairfaxcounty.gov/COVID-19/assistance-distance or call 703-222-0880 for information and assistance with emergency food, shelter, clothing, health care, employment, financial services, or other needs. Stay informed. Call our Health Department call center at 703-267-3511 with coronavirus questions. They are open 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. weekdays and 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekends. Text FFX COVID to 888-777 to receive updates from Fairfax County about COVID-19. Text FFX COVID ESP to 888-777 for updates in Spanish. Assistance from a distance. We are here for you.